Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's Counter-Strike 2 tutorial, we're going to talk about how to remove weapon sway in CS2. But before we dive into all of that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And of course, it'll keep you on the loop for future topics. Okay, removing weapons away in Counter-Strike 2 or any other first-person shooter game may provide certain advantages to players, but it's important to note that altering the game in this way is typically considered cheating and can have negative consequences, including being banned from the game. That said, let's go to our console. Normally, in previous iterations, all we gotta do is type this command.
Incendiary out.
You see, it's not working.
Let's move
Or
out. Laying down smoke.
basically, even with SVQ, this is the run command. It's only for weapons while looking left and right, and it's not, really not moving. So you, in this for now, we now don't have the answers for that unless there's gonna be a new patch to update. But needless to say, weapon sway can make it more challenging to aim accurately because especially when high magnification scopes for aiming or precise shots, removing weapon sway can make it easier to line up shots, right? You have to agree on that because without weapon sway, your crosshair will remain more stable, which can lead to more consistent shooting performance. And some players find the weapon sway frustrating, and removing it, hopefully here, can make the game more enjoyable for all of us here. However, excuse me, guys. However, guys, it's important to consider the ethics of and the rules of the game when deciding whether to remove weapon sway because many online games, including Counter-Strike 2, have strict rules against cheating or modifying the game files to gain an unfair advantage, right? So engaging in such activities can result in penalties, including temporary or permanent bans from the game. So if you're looking to improve your performance in Counter-Strike 2, it's best to do so through legitimate means, such as, practicing your aiming skills, learning map strategies, and collaborating with your teammates. Cheating not only undermines the integrity of the game, but can also result in a less enjoyable experience for others. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did because I believe if you find this video helpful or at least entertaining, do not forget to give it a thumbs up by clicking that like button below. And yeah, before I forgot, guys, I wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude to each every one of you who has been part of our Easy Earl community. Your support means the world to us, and I can thank you enough, especially for those subscribers who relentlessly shares our YouTube link to their media platforms like Facebook and other stuff to their friends and family. You are the reason why our community is going bigger and stronger each and every day. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.